Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Welcome to the final and number 4 episode of this job with the Christmas lights. I was planning to make an edited video, but you know what happens to the well-laid plans of men and mice. They generally don't work. So, I'm now going to fit 9 lanterns to this string of LED bulbs. As I told you in a previous video, I went to the shop and wanted to get another one with warm white lights, but no, there was only multicolor or green and things like that, so we'll do without one. Anyway, we've got 2 of these which are not really suitable. We'll keep these as spares anyway. I'll keep these 2 as spares. And we can now get cracking. This one here, because in the meantime, what did I do? I've widened all the openings here using, as you'll have seen in the previous videos, the Swiss Army knife reamer. So I was very careful, and now we're actually okay, so we're good to go. Let's start fitting them, and I'm going to probably use some cable ties to sort of stop. I don't know if I'll use cable ties. I might actually use, to stop them fall, these wire twiddlers here, because honestly this is not very heavy material and the cable ties might just be bulky and ugly. So we'll see what to do. Well, let's get cracking. So we've got 9 of them. We've got 9 lights. One, not that one of course, that one's out of order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 9 nice lanterns. And we want to sort of alternate them by colour and shape. So, if I don't remember badly, this was the first one I was planning to fit. Some of them are a nice snug fit and won't require absolutely any, like this one, for example. This one's nice and snug and tight. I don't need to modify that at all, so I can just put it on like that and just clip it on. So others, I've widened them more. You can already see what it looks like. Nice. Let's go on the second one. What colour do we get? We've got 2 blue ones, 2 green ones, a pink one, a red one and a yellow one. I would say, but this is the same pattern as that one, I'd go for a blue one here. So let's take this blue one, open it up, see how slack it is. Oh, we'd risk losing that, and we don't want that. Yep, I can pull off easily. So what we're going to do here, I think I might put the cable tie. Yes, we have enough cable ties. I'm going to have to buy some new cable ties, and I should buy some thinner cable ties because I've got these ones. These ones are really very big. So let's pop a cable tie on here. Just need to pre-pull it. Good. Aye, that's fine. That's fine. That'll look nice. Right. Clippers. Just get rid of the cable tie. That's you out the road. So there we are. Our nice cable tie. That's in there. Bit bulky, this cable tie, but let's see how that looks. Pulls it very far over. And then it depends how I hang them, so we don't need to worry too much. Okay. Okay, doke. So that's that one done. Oh, we have another one here. What colour could we put here? Let's put a yellow one. Could we put a yellow one, maybe? I don't know. I should have one of my nephews here to help me do. Let's put a yellow one. I wonder if I need a cable tie on this one. Probably I do. Yep, I do need a cable tie. Yep, I need a cable tie. Okay, let's put the cable tie. It would have been better if the cable ties had been, you know, smaller, but it doesn't really matter. I can get them. I might actually finish the cable ties this time here. Okay, cable tie, on we go. So we'll put the cable tie on. I'll show you this one here, then I'll do the rest offline because I think it's a bit boring watching me pulling cable ties. I mean, you all know what cable tie, how to pull a cable tie. But let's see how this yellow one looks like. Apparently, I've got automatic dubbing into other languages on my channel. I was looking at the dashboard, the YouTube dashboard on the computer. So, if you're a non-English speaker, let me know what these videos sound in another language, how they sound, if it's absolutely ridiculous. Now, generally, the automatic dubbing is quite good. I don't like dubbed videos, unless it's a language I just don't know. But for example, I can understand French, and I can understand Spanish, and I do like watching my videos in French and Spanish, in French or Spanish. Even in German, I prefer to listen to. I studied German at school. Okay, that looks quite nice. There we go. Oh, that's nice. I think that's good. Perfectly centered. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to carry on now with fitting them, and then we'll see. I might put a cable tie or something even on this one here at the beginning, because that is a bit slack, just to make sure that they all stay straight. If I have enough cable ties, if not, it'll be one of these wire things here. Anyway, I'm getting on with that. See you in the next clip. Oh well, here we are. I've finished. That's the job done. They look rather nice. Let's look at them with a bit of light. There we go. I can see them better. Okay, so I fixed each one using a cable tie, all of them. Apart from the first one here, I'd finished the cable ties, so I used one of these bits of green wire there. Okay. And pity this one here got knocked off, but we'll keep this one here as a spare. And I'll see, the thing is that this can all be, now that these have been adapted, apart from this one, which is a spare, when I do find another set of LED lights with warm white lights, I can simply cut the cable ties and refit all 10 of them, even this extra pink one here, and keep this set here for maybe a model railway layout or something, because this was actually my spare one, just in case there were problems, but well, these things don't really break. Okay, and I've got various, maybe the battery box might have a problem, the switch, but I've got plenty of spare parts. Okay, so that's that done. I hope you enjoyed. These were slightly something different, but tomorrow I'll show you them installed in a very short video. I don't really know where I'm putting them because we don't really have a proper Christmas tree. We have some decorations around in the living room, and I was thinking to put these ones here around a framed picture that we have, and we could have a look there, or I might even hang them up in here. We'll see. I'll ask my wife, see what she says. She's not really seen them. She's seen me working on them, but she's never really had a good look at what I was doing, and I told her I was making some very interesting lights. I used this kind of, what colour that could be, sort of purpley pink. The one that had been repaired. I just widened the hole at the top, so we have one spare, and maybe when we get another set of lights like this, we'll be able to install it. If not, we'll just keep it as a spare. Okay, very well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and of course, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Cheerio, and see you next time. And here you see them installed at long last, and you've already seen these ones here in a preview. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I said that in the other ending, but I'm a bit like Lieutenant Columbo. I always have a last remark. Cheerio, and see you next time, and Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year, but we'll talk about New Year in another video.